push and pull at your command. So you